How to flip a photo on iPhone. To flip a photo on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Photos on your iPhone. Here, you can view all your photos and videos. Now, open a photo from the gallery. Then, tap this edit icon over here. Here, you will find 3 basic editing options in the bottom panel. From here, tap on the crop icon. Then, you have to go to the upper left corner of your screen and tap this icon over here. You can see the photo has been flipped. Now, tap on the Done button at the top right corner. There you go, you have successfully flipped a photo on your iPhone. To apply it to other photos, you have to go through the same process. By following these simple steps, you can easily flip a photo on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.